Here's the bird and trout, nearly finished. I decided to leave it as a takedown in the end for maintenance reasons. Even though these leather spaces are stabilised, I figure it's better to be able to replace them in a couple of years than to have to permanently damage something. So it's reindeer antler, wrought iron ferrule, sterling silver inlay, 80 CRV2, 26 C3 and 15N20, bias forged basket weave damascus. It's just a little offcut that used to be the bolster of a integral chef, but I didn't like how it was turning out. There's a pair of leaves inlaid in sterling silver on the private side of the knife, so I'm right-handed. I'll switch hands. When it's like this, only the user sort of gets to see that it's pretty much hidden to everyone else, and hidden when it's on the right hip in the sheath. You can see the 26C in there a little bit in the Damascus. That's in there just to increase the overall carbon, so you don't lose, well, you lose just as much, but to retain more after the forge welding. The ferrule is silver soldered onto the blade, and then there's also a little bit of slightly shoddy engraving on the butt cap.